Question number 13. Students, let's continue the topic probability. Here we have discussed the basic concept already, and let us come on question number 13. It is one of the simple and important question. Here a die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting first part a prime number, second part a number lying between 2 and 6, third part an odd number. Now let us see the solution. A die has 6 natural numbers and these numbers from 1 to 6. Therefore, the numbers we will get in a die, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, NS means total number of possible outcomes. So, these possible outcomes are 6, that is why NS equal to 6, because we can get any number from 1 to 6 when we throw a die. Now, in the first part, a prime number. Student, you must know 2, 3, 5 are the prime numbers. 2 is the first even prime number. So, whenever we will throw a die and getting a prime number, so there are the cases 2, 3, 5 and n even means number of favorable outcomes, that is 3. And therefore, probability is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes are 3, total outcomes are 6, that is probability is 3 by 6 or it is 1 by 2. Now let us come on the second part. Here a number lying between 2 and 6. Therefore, the numbers which lying between 2 and 6, these are 3, 4, 5 and favorable outcomes are also these, and so NE2 equal to 3. There are 3 favorable outcomes and probability for this is PE2 equal to NE2 upon NS. NE2 means number of favorable outcomes when a number is coming between 2 and 6. So it is 3 by 6 and probability is 1 by 2. Now is a third case, and an odd number. When we throw a die and we will get an odd number, so favorable outcomes are 1, 3, 5 and number of favorable outcomes equal to 3. There are 3 numbers and probability for this case PE3 equal to NE3 over NS. NE3 number of favorable outcomes for the event when an odd number is coming. So it is 3 by 6 or it is also 1 by 2, and answer of each case is 1 by 2, it is by chance. Student, it is question number 14. Here one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting, there are following cases, number of cases. So before coming on this topic, I would like to clear the concept of cards. What are the playing cards? Student, playing cards means deck of the cards. There are 52 cards and 3 there are some more cards, they are called the jokers, that we will not discuss there. Now there are main 52 cards in which 26 are the red cards and 26 are the black cards. In 26 red card there are 13 hearts and 13 diamond cards. These are red heart and the red diamond. Diamond is like that and this is the heart, it is like this. Now 26 black cards, that is 13 club and 13 spade. Club is like a flower, right? And there is a spade card. Now in 13 cards, there are the numbers from 1 to 10. Number 1 is called ace, and 2, 3, 4, 5 till 10. These are the numbers. Then there is a jack, and then queen, and after that there is a king. The ace, jack, queen and king, they are the special cards. They are having more prominent cards. Then let us come on the questions. In the first part, a king of red card. See, student, there are two kings, two red kings. Total kings are 4, in which 2 are the red king. Red king of heart and red king of diamond. So n even equal to 2. Even represent the probability of the first case. Then P even is 2 upon 52. 2 is the number of favorable outcomes, means red kings, and total number of cards are 52. So probability is 2 upon 52 and it becomes 1 upon 26. We will cancel this by 2. In the second case, there is a face card. Student, face card means the card in which there are some faces, like jack having a face, queen having a face and king having a face. So there are three face in one type of the card, and there are total 4 types. So there are 12 face cards. So Ne2 equal to 12, and probability for this case, it is favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So it is 12 upon 52. We will cancel it by 4. 4 3 is 12 and 4 1 is 4. 4 3 is 12. So answer is 3 by 13. Right? So for the second case, probability is 3 by 13. Next is the red face card. So how many red face cards are there? There are 6 red face cards. So probability for third case will be what? PE3 equal to NE3 divided by NS. NE3 is 6 and there is 52 and it is cancelled by 2. 2 3 and it is 26. Answer 3 upon 26. Similarly, jack of heart. There is only one jack of heart. So probability for fourth case, this will be what? PE4 is 1 upon 52 because only one jack heart, jack of heart, jack of heart. And a spade. So in the fifth part, there is a spade. Let me simplify here. Fifth part, in the probability of PE5. How many spade cards are there? There are 13. So it is 13 upon 52 or 13 manja 13. 13 4 ja 52. So it is 1 by 4. Then the sixth part, a queen of diamond. So there is only one queen of diamond. So probability for this case, PE6, it is 1 upon 52. So there is only one queen of diamond. So probability for this case is 1 upon 52.